Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make Botateachi Kappa. It's a potato snack, all-time favorite snack where everyone will enjoy this. So I'm in a simple way, I'm going to show how to make Botateachi Kappa. To make that, I've taken two potatoes. Check this out. Need to peel and then slice. Now after peeling, I will show how to cut. This is the size what we require. So we'll leave this in water and we'll start with the batter. So in order to make the batter, I've taken 1.5 cup of besan flour. I will add salt, add water, add little water and check. We need a thick batter. It should not be so thick and should not be too thin also. Now check the consistency. This is what we require to get a nice coating. Now I will add baking soda, quarter a teaspoon. Mix it and leave it on the side. Now if you prefer it spicy, then you can add chili powder in this. I like it this way, just simple. So I'm going to show a simple recipe. Now what you have to do is you need to drain the water, add salt, mix it well and keep it on the side while our oil is getting hot. Now since our oil is hot, dip the potato in the batter and fry them. Fry them in batches. Do not try to squeeze them. Once they are golden brown in color, turn them and fry them on the other side. See how beautiful they are. A quick and simple recipe, you can try this at home. The main reason to cut the potatoes thin is they have to get soft. So once this get golden brown in color, potatoes should also be get cooked. I'm going to remove this and keep it on the tissue paper. See how beautiful they are.